Are you tired of using ChatGPT where you get the same results as everybody else? Well, I've got an AI tool that I use which creates unique content for me. Let me show you how it works real quick. Let's go. So the name of the software is called TextBuilder, and they've got a pretty generous pricing plan over here. They've got 100,000 words at $19 per month, and they've got 200,000, which is what I'm on, for $29 per month. And the cool part is that you get team seats. And as always, if you go for the yearly plan, it is a lot cheaper. They also have a lifetime plan over here for $79 per month, which gets you 30,000 words per month, and it renews every single month from the date of payment. But let's hop on over into TextBuilder. So once you get into the dashboard over here, there's lots of videos that the founder actually has created teaching you how to use the channel. He's also got a very active Facebook group where he's always releasing new updates and showing you how to use the tool to create unique content so that you'll stand out from the rest. He is a blogger through and through, and his objective is to create content that's actually going to convert people into paying customers. So he does affiliate marketing too. And so the objective is not to create the same content that ChatGPT creates there's millions of people using it at the moment. So his objective is to make sure that you get unique content which is going to rank and ultimately convert to clients. So if you come to the left over here, we've got a few things I want to show you. We've got the schedule tool, and what this tool does is it allows you to select certain keywords over here, and then you can actually go and create a post by clicking one button, and you can schedule it directly to your website. So it does it automatically. So if you want to write 10 or 20 or 30 blog posts, you can go through the process of actually selecting your niche, selecting a keyword or two, and then it will go and create a list of titles. You can choose the titles that you can auto schedule, connect it to your WordPress website, and it will auto post to your site. Over here, they've also got an AI writer, which if you want to write a blog post, I'll click on that over there. You can put in the title over here with regards to whatever you want to write on. Click long form writer. Let me show you real quick. So let's say how to pay off debt quickly. And I always come back to this niche because this is one of my niches that I spend a lot of time creating content in. Click on long form writer real quick. You can then go and look at different areas within the blog post, whether it's an intro that you want to create. So this is going to be an intro. Let's click on generate text real quick. And it takes a couple of seconds, and it's going to create a blog post title based off that particular how to pay off debt that I've inserted over there. So blog post intro. Okay, so this could be the intro to my blog post. If I don't like it, I can go and click new output. If I do like it, I can just click add, and it's going to pop up over here. So I can actually have full control over different areas of my blog post. So this would be my intro, right? And then if I didn't like it, I can go and generate a new one. I can also change how many I want to create, different types of intros. So I can choose which one I want. If I'm happy with that intro, I can then move all the way down here and then create content for my particular blog post. I'm not going to go through all of this at the moment, but you understand the process. And if I wanted to do, let's just show you as an example. If I wanted to create a blog outline real quick, I'll click on that, and let's click on generate real quick. And I'm not going to go through this. I'll create more tutorials around this in the future, but this could be like my outline. Let me add that to the writer. And so I could have these as different outlines that I could write on. And then underneath over here, I could actually go and write the content around this particular topic. Either write it, or I could use the tool over here to go and actually create the content for me. And you can write a 1,000 to 3,000 word article within a few minutes this way. Let's hop back over here to the auto writer. Auto writer works slightly different. We'll click on auto write. Over here, you can come and identify your keywords that you want. So again, like how to pay off debt. Click generate ideas. I'll show you how this works real quick. So it takes a few seconds to come up with H1 topic ideas and so on. So let that do that. Okay, so it's created some ideas, and it's going to create a bunch more. But let's say I wanted to write on that particular topic over there. How to Conquer Your Debt, 7 Simple Steps. I'll click on that and it's going to pop up as my title over here. And it's even going to add some keywords. And the other thing that I can point out over here, if you're using a tool like Surfer or Phrase or Ahrefs or one of the SEO tools, you can actually go and get keywords over here. And you can drop it in on the side over here. And then if you are happy with that, you can come and click on Auto Writer. And then you can choose the type of post that you want to create. So let's say I want this to be a how-to style post. And I'm going to click on Generate. And I'll show you how this works over here, and it's going to take a few minutes to actually generate this particular article, but it's going to be a how-to article, and at the end of the video I'll show you what it looks like. So as you can see, this is the output from TextBuilder. When you click that one button, it's got different headings, different just paragraphs within the text, and it's done a pretty great job over here. What I would do after this is I would go and I could go and copy this to clipboard and then paste it into a Google Doc if I just wanted to add some more headers and things like that. Alternatively, if I am happy with it as it is, I could come and add within the particular text over here, I could come and add H1s and just change these to H2s and H3s if I wanted to do that. The other thing that I do sometimes is I copy this into a tool called Phrase and I go and see how optimized the article is. More often than not, the tool being TextBuilder creates optimized articles, and then I don't have to do much in Phrase or tools like Surfer, and then I can just post it to my website. Let's say I am happy with this particular blog post. I would then go and I could go and click publish over here, and it's going to publish directly to my website. Alternatively, I can click on the schedule tool over here and I can schedule it to post directly to my website as well. If I'm not on WordPress, please note this is for WordPress. If I'm not on WordPress, what I would do is I would then copy this text by clicking the clipboard and then pasting it into whichever blogging tool or software that I'm using, whether it is a tool like QuickBlog or whether I'm using a tool like Go High Level or one of the other funnel building tools where I'm going to be building my blog on. So I use WordPress for my blogs. It's my go-to, but if I wanted to use a different system, I could do that by just copying the clipboard over here. There's another great tool or function under the auto write, and I'll show you that while this is writing the article. Let me come back over here real quick. I click on auto write. If you are an Amazon affiliate, you can actually click on Amazon. You can actually type in the product over here. So let's say I wanted to promote standing desk. I'm standing behind a standing desk at the moment. I can search for products. And so it takes a few seconds. It's actually going to pull these desks. I can actually add all of these, and it's actually going to write a review around these desks. I can pull all of these desks into my auto writer section. So I could do like a top 10 best desks and things like that. And this will actually go ahead and create the content for me around the desk. Isn't that awesome? It's got this direct integration with Amazon. And then product reviews, you can actually go ahead and use Turbo GPT or Magic Commands or just, they've even got the section over here where if I wanted to copy and paste an Amazon link in over here to actually get the data for the title of the particular product as well as the product description, and it would actually create the content around that once I click generate text. Whether you're creating ads or even social media, so do I want to do something for Pinterest, for YouTube videos and things like that, I could also come and create my content over here. When it comes to my Facebook posts and things like that, I'm actually using the magic command and I just say, write me a social media post on the following topic and so on. And then there's a whole host of other great tools over here. And then frameworks, you can actually come in over here and you can use their frameworks which they've got, or you can go in and you can build out your own framework. So it is an amazing tool. So if you want to learn more about how you can use TextBuilder to be one step ahead of everybody else, because everybody else is using ChatGPT and creating the same type of content, then this is a tool for you. I will be creating different types of videos showing you how you can use it for email marketing, how you can use it for your social media posts, how you can use it for website copy, how you can use it for whatever you can think of. You can pretty much use this particular AI tool to be able to create the content that's going to serve your people. And ultimately, we want to take people from a place of where they are seeking an answer to finding the answer, and this is a tool that can do that. So for more videos like this, click subscribe below.